Assalamu alaikum again. So here we have reading procedures. There are several examples of range of techniques and strategies that is used here. Um, in the standard reading exercise, مثلا, the learners are taught a series of questions to ask that can be used with any text. So these questions can be taught. Okay, sorry. So these questions can be taught in a learner's first language. So usually the questions cover what are the taught to be most important reading skills. So أنا بدي إياك تركزوا لي هون من هون. So reading skills include predicting, choosing the main points, deciding on the right purpose. Okay. Um, Moving to the reciprocal teaching. Okay, so we have here, for example, reciprocal teaching, which is involves in training and use of four strategies, which is the first one is production. The second was making questions of the main ideas, summarizing, and making clarifications on difficult points in the paragraph. So the set of strategies have been called reciprocal as teaching, and the ideas is that the procedure is modeled by the teachers and gradually taken over by the learners working in groups and finally learners working independently. So هاي هي كتير مهمة هون. We can يعني just highlighted هاي الأسطر لأنه I may ask you, for example, reciprocal teaching include مثلا making questions for focusing on the main ideas. طبعا ممكن يكون main ideas summarizing وهكذا. تمام. في هنا مثلا concept oriented reading and instructions. Also CO stands for CORI، يعني بتاخد أول حروف C O R I. So CORI stands for concept oriented reading instructions. طبعا what is CORI? It's an integrated strategies approach to reading comprehension. It involves systematic explicit مش implicit يعني explicit مش مباشر and the six strategies of activating background. طبعا احنا بنعمل activating في الأول background، بعدين questioning، بعدين searching for the information، summarizing، organization، graphically structured stories. We move to the vocabulary. So okay, this is like would be all in vocabulary, so that's why I will leave it to the next session. I will start here, but I just want you to focus here on CRI, stands for concept-oriented reading instruction. Reciprocal teaching stands for like 3-4 stage strategies, production, making questions, summarizing, and seeking clarification. For example, standard reading exercises here, it's like a series of questions to ask with any text. These like the most important points. Thank you so much for attending the class. Inshallah, see you next, and focusing more on vocabulary and how it's like vocabulary using of high and low. I think high, low frequency, and how it's like we may like use some strategies and including this, and then move into the grammar features of the text. So these are the most important points that we are going to discuss, inshallah, next, and focusing on the most important things. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. مع السلامة، في أمان الله.